Good morning everyone, this is Shrikanwartara here from Shrikanwartara Public Higher Secondary School, Mandleshwar, and I have with me Mandeep who has recently cleared his IIT, and Mandeep secured 99.37 in his mains, right? Fine. And then in his advance, he all India rank is 802. So hearty congratulations, Mandeep. We always believe that as we know that human being has good potential into it. The only thing is that we need to work upon that, right? So that is what Mandeep has proved to this. So Mandeep, very first thing is, tell me, how do you feel now?
I am on cloud 9 as I am feeling very excited because I have worked a lot and I have finally seen myself into IIT.
Fine. So your hard work has brought sweet fruits, right? Fine. So, let us talk about your success first of all. So, what is your success mantra?
Executing the plans and just believe in yourself. Follow your teachers and just follow your teachers.
Okay, fine. I see, one thing I would like to say, that I have witnessed him working hard till 10:30 around, right? And all the time he used to work, he used to solve his sums in the school campus itself, no? And I used to be there. So, hats off to you, Mandeep, for the same. But then, what motivates you to choose this field?
In the beginning of 11th, I love math and I was fascinated about IIT and towards this field.
Okay, so this love for maths has taken you to IIT. Fine, that's a great thing. And whom do you dedicate the success to?
Honorable Principal Sir of Shrikanwartara Public Higher Secondary School, Mandleshwar, and my LN faculties here, and to my friends and my parents.
Definitely. See, when we achieve something, so we have a group of people, those who are around us, those who always keep on motivating. Does it so happen that any time you thought of that I should give up?
Sometimes, because during test when I have not scored well, that time I decided that I won't be able to make it. But my parents and actually my teachers motivated me that it usually happens. Don't get demotivated. The final outcome will be better. And
that is what you proved to me. Fine, definitely, yes. So, what advice would you like to give to the Z aspirants for the coming year?
Always follow your mentor advice and believe in yourself. Work hard persistently and just be dedicated for your work. Don't procrastinate things.
Yes, this is very important thing he told. Don't procrastinate the thing. That at times we do make plans, but then when it comes to execution, we give up, right? And we keep on procrastinating it tomorrow, the day after tomorrow. So very well said that. Once again, very hearty congratulations to you, Mandeep. All the best to your future. Thank you so much.